Hey there, my friends. Welcome back to Dr. P's channel, your go-to place for simple science-backed health tips. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions but often goes undiagnosed: thyroid disorders. Ever feel exhausted even after a full night's sleep? Struggling with weight changes that don't make sense? Or maybe your mood swings have you feeling like you're on a roller coaster? Your thyroid could be the culprit. Stick around, because today we'll break down common thyroid symptoms, when you should see a doctor, and the best ways to manage it, naturally and with medication. So grab your tea, get comfy, and let's talk thyroid. First things first, what is this tiny butterfly-shaped gland in your neck actually doing? Well, your thyroid is basically the CEO of your metabolism. It controls how fast or slow your body uses energy, how warm you feel, and even how your heart beats. When your thyroid is off balance, everything in your body feels it. Now, thyroid problems usually come in two types. Think of them as the too slow thyroid and the too fast thyroid. Let's break them down. Hypothyroidism, or an underactive thyroid, means your thyroid isn't making enough hormones, so everything slows down. Symptoms include feeling exhausted all the time, even after 8 hours of sleep, unexplained weight gain, your metabolism is on vacation, cold hands and feet even when others are warm, dry, rough skin and hair that seems to be thinning out, mood swings, depression or constant brain fog, and a slowed heart rate making you feel sluggish. On the flip side, hyperthyroidism, or an overactive thyroid, means your thyroid is making too much hormone, turning your metabolism into a race car. Symptoms include sudden weight loss, eating the same but dropping pounds fast, feeling hot and sweaty even when it's cold outside, a racing heartbeat or constant palpitations, feeling anxious, restless or on edge for no reason, hand tremors or shaking, and trouble sleeping, leading to exhaustion. Unusual symptoms. Sometimes thyroid issues can cause weird symptoms like puffy eyes, hoarseness, or even digestive problems. If you've noticed any of these, keep watching. Help is on the way. Okay, so how do you know if it's time to see a doctor? Here's a quick checklist. If your symptoms last longer than a few weeks, if you've noticed significant weight changes without trying, if your heart rate is unusually fast or slow, if you have a family history of thyroid disorders, or if you're a woman over 40, hormonal changes can trigger thyroid issues. Your doctor will likely order a simple blood test called TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, along with T3 and T4 tests. Don't worry, it's quick, easy, and gives a clear picture of what's happening inside. Now let's talk about how to get that thyroid back in balance. Medications for hypothyroidism. Since your thyroid isn't making enough hormones, doctors usually prescribe levothyroxine, also known as Synthroid or Levoxel. It's a synthetic thyroid hormone that replaces what your body lacks. It's a lifelong medication but works wonders when taken correctly. Medications for hyperthyroidism. For an overactive thyroid, doctors may prescribe beta blockers like propranolol to control heart palpitations. They might also use methimazole or PTU to slow down hormone production. In some cases, radioactive iodine therapy is used to shrink the thyroid. If severe, some people need thyroid surgery, but that's usually a last resort. Medication is key, but lifestyle changes can make a huge difference. Here's what you can do at home. For hypothyroidism, boosting thyroid function, you can eat iodine-rich foods like seaweed, dairy, and iodized salt. Get enough selenium, which is found in Brazil, nuts, eggs, and fish. Reduce stress, yoga, meditation, and deep breathing work wonders. Exercise regularly, even light walks help boost metabolism. Avoid too much soy and processed foods as they can interfere with thyroid hormones. For hyperthyroidism, calming an overactive thyroid, eat cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower. They naturally slow thyroid activity. Reduce caffeine and sugar because these can worsen symptoms. Try herbal support like bugleweed and lemon balm, but always check with your doctor. And stay hydrated. Water helps regulate hormones and digestion. Now, before we wrap up, I have some really good news for you. Did you know that apart from all these remedies and medical treatments, there's a powerful herbal medicine that can surprise you when it comes to thyroid health? It's called Jigsima. This herbal remedy has been gaining attention for its potential benefits in supporting overall health, including thyroid function. But what exactly is Jigsamer? How does it work? And can it really help manage thyroid disorders? Well, stay tuned for my next video where I'll be diving deep into this amazing herbal remedy and how it can benefit you. Your thyroid may be small, but it has a big job. Whether yours is running too fast or too slow, don't worry. There's always a way to bring it back into balance. If you're experiencing symptoms, talk to your doctor and take control of your health. Which symptom surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like if you found this helpful. Subscribe so you don't miss my upcoming video on Jigsamer, and share this with someone who needs it. Until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.